Hello, welcome to this Refashion tutorial for signature of your contract on the extranet. In order to achieve your regularization and obtain your UIN, this video will help you sign your contract. To do this, you must already have registered and your registration must have been validated by Refashion. If you haven't yet registered, go to our tutorial dedicated to registration on our extranet. Before you start, please make sure that you are the person designated to sign the contract. As a reminder, the signatory is designated by the declarant at the time of registration. He or she is the only person authorized to sign the contract. Once the registration has been validated by Refashion, you will receive an email from extranet adhérent at refashion.fr inviting you to sign the contract. Click on the link in the email. If you can't find the email, don't forget to check your spam folder. If the email link has expired or if you can't find the email in your mailbox, there are two possibilities. Case 1. You are both a signatory and a declarant. Go to adhérent.refashion.fr and log in to the declarant area. On the home page, in the Your Company and Contracts tab, click on the yellow button on the right entitled Waiting to be signed. Case 2. You are not a declarant and do not have access to the extranet. Please contact our hotline to get your login details by phone or by email at hotline@refashion.fr. Once you have access to the contract to sign, it appears like this with a dedicated contract number and the name of your company. You can consult it in English. You can also download it or print it directly, for example, if you need to forward it to your legal department. Please note that the standard contract is publicly available on our website refashion.fr in the Marketer section by clicking on How to register as a clickable link. Once you have checked the contract and you accept its terms, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on Sign. If you are the designated signatory for this contract, click Yes. If you confirm that your company details are correct, click Yes. Please note that you won't be able to modify them once the contract has been signed, except by contacting the hotline and providing proof of identity. Congratulations, your Refashion membership contract has been signed. For further information, please visit our website on Marketer section, or visit our FAQ category member brand name by consulting the various sections or by making a specific search in the search bar. If you have any question, contact us by phone from Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. or by email at hotline@refashion.fr.